Sibingelele. Kule video sibuya no part 10. Sikhuluma ngezwe laseKenani. So kunento esibonile ukuthi ilokhu ivela kuma comments. Sesithi sifuna ukuthi sicacise. Sifisa ukucacisa indaba yegama lalelizwe laseKenani ekuthiwa iSouth Africa because abantu abaningi sebeyabona ukuthi leli gama elithi South Africa akulona igama lezwe. Abantu abaningi bebazi ukuthi igama elithi South Africa igama lezwe. Kanjani na? If ubheka wonke amazwe ase-Africa anamagama, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Egypt, Morocco, amagama lawo. But thina yindaba sabizwa ngo-South kwase kwathiwa Africa because u-Africa igama le-continent, liphi igama le-country. So lethi bilokhu ivela kuma-comment sengithi ngifisa ukuthi ngiyicacise indaba yegama lezwe leli kuthiwa i-South Africa. Ake siqaleke. Into yokuqala kumele ukuthi siyazi bafowethu about igama. Yabona lana kuwusiko kuthina bantu abamnyama ukuthi izinto ziqanjwa amagama ezibalekile. Izwe linegama, ngisho umuntu ezalwa unikwa igama, ngisho izindlu sikhule sina kudala izindlu ziqanjwa amagama ukuthi leni lendlu ibizwa ngokuthi, lendlu ibizwa ngokuthi, leni ibizwa ngokuthi. So igama lethu thina abantu abamnyama kumele libe ne-meaning, kumele lichaze something, kumele lichaze into, kumele litshele something, kumele kube igama eline-meaning. Then you know that ukuthi igama lethu thina abantu liphume kuthina thina abantu. So i-South Africa before sifike kuyona kumele sichaze i-Africa. I-Africa bafethu lento yama-borders ifike nabacindezeli. Yabo, I know ukuthi abantu abaningi bazi ukuthi nje kwavele kunje nasendulo. Cha, lento yama-borders ifike nani? Nabacindezeli. Yabo, igama lokuqala le-South Africa noma le-Africa as a whole ngoba ama-borders asanda kufika kwakuyi-Eden. Nathi imap endala kakhulu engikwazi ukuthi ngiyithole. Yabo lapha in brackets kubhala ukuthi Eden. That was the original name of i-Africa. And i-South Africa kwakuthiwa yini? I-Garden of Eden. Mengithi South Africa ngisho ukuthi kusuka ko-Tanzania le, ngisho lamazwe lawo ase-Southern Africa. I-Garden of Eden ise Cape Town. Yabo, but the continent as a whole was called Eden. E-Cape Town kungekude nje bekade kukhona umasipala kuthiwa u-Eden Municipality. Base balishintsha igama, basanda kulishintsha. Balishintsha igama bathi sekuyi-Garden, yini i-Garden Municipality into kanjalo. Yabo, so igama le-continent lokuqala kwaku-Eden. Ama-borders ayengekho. Right? Ake siqhubekele phambili sibone ukuthi iliphi igama elalandela emva kwalapho. Right? Kuthe kusuka lapho leli gama elalithi Eden lalivela kumdali wethu. That is why kwakhona nendawo kuthiwa ise-Garden of Eden. Yabo, e-Eden lalivela kumdali wethu. So kwakuyigama lani le-continent yethu lelo. Kwakuyigama lani le-country yethu u-Eden. That was the first name esaba nayo as ama-Africans or as ama-South Africans. Right? Kuthe kusuka lapho igama elalandela, ngithe ukhumbula indaba yamabhoda yayingekho. Indaba yamabhoda angifuni ukuthi bese ucabanga kakhulu ukuthi amanye amazwe cha, indaba yamabhoda yafika nabacindezeli sebecazelana ukuthi mina ngizodla la, wena uzodla la, usibamani uzodla lapha. Ngobani? Kudliwa ifa leni. Right? Kudliwa ifa lama-Africans. So igama losibili elalandela kwaba i-Alkebulan. U-Alkebulan ngithe mina igama meliqanjwe abantu noma ama-Africans kumele libe ne-meaning. Igama losibili elalandela kwaba yi-Alkebulan, lona-ke laqanjwa abantu ngobani? Lile meaning. Ake sibheke ukuthi lisho ukuthini leli gama elithi Alkebulan. Ake sibheke. So into ebalulekile ngegama, number 1, kumele ukuthi libe ne-meaning. Okwesibili, kumele ukuthi li-accommodate bonke abantu, especially igama le-country. Kumele ukuthi li-accommodate bonke abantu. Right? Ake sibukeke igama losibili le-continent of Africa because indaba yama-countries ifike nabacindezeli sebicazelana ukuthi usibanibani akathathe le portion, usibanibani akathathe le portion, usibanibani like bebecazelana ini amafa abo bese beyinika igama ukuthi leli kuzoba ifa lasibanibani, leli ifa lasibanibani, leli ifa lasibanibani. Indaba yama-countries ivele nabacindezeli ngenxa yokuthi bebefuna ukucazelana ifa, bahlephulelana ophayi. yabo ukubona uphayima uhlephula phakathi uhlephula into 8 pieces uthi lo okasibanibani lo okasibanibani lo okasibanibani avele kanjalo kwama countries indaba yama borders ibikade ingekho. So igama losibili kwaba uAlkebulan, right? Ake sizwe leli gama ukuthi lalivelaphi kuthiwani ngalo. So the term Alkebulan is not associated with a specific tribe. That is a good sign ukuthi lalivela kuthina ngobani alivuni umuntu, right? But rather is believed to be an indigenous name, right, for African continent, meaning mother of mankind. Mother of mankind, right, or Garden of Eden. Nangu Eden uyavela. Lalisho ukuthi mother of mankind or Garden of Eden. Ngithe igama lokuqala le continent okubani kwaku Eden. Lelo sibili linayo i-meaning yalo bani mother of mankind or uGarden of Eden ngobani njengoba kuthiwa mother of mankind yonke into iqala la kune continent ekuthiwa Africa. Yonke into iqala kule continent ekuthiwa Africa, right? Ngisho iGarden of Eden ila eAfrica. Igama lalo kuqala le continent ngoba yayingenawo ama borders kwakuthiwa uEden, right? It was used by variant ancient African groups, right, including the Moors. The Moors are African people, right? Okwenzeka bagcina sebeya eEurope beyorula eEurope. The first kings noma the people who ruled were Africans. Umhlaba wonke unama Africans, unamakhosi ama Africans. Kodwa yonke into yaqala kephi? Yaqala eAfrica. Yaqala eSouth Africa, yakhuphuka yaze yafika ko-Egypt, yakhuphuka yaya ko-Europe, yakhuphuka nje yaya ko-Asia, kanjalo. So now kuyashiwo kona it was used by variant ancient African groups including the Moors, the Nubians. Ama-Nubians atholakala eAfrica lapha enzansi nje ko-Egypt, yabo, the Numidians and the Ethiopians as well, right? So kwaba igama losibili ubani uAlkebulan. And then emva kwalapho igama losithathu elalandela le continent ukhumbula ukuthi ama countries ngaleso sikhathi ayengakaveli, yabo, ayengakaveli because ama colonizers asanda kufika. Ama countries avela as a result of kwakwabelwana ifa, yabo, behlephulelana ifa. And then igama losithathu elalandela le continent kwaba ile igama elilandela ake sibuke la. And then igama losithathu le continent uAfrica kwaba uEthiopia. The whole continent of Africa was called Ethiopia. That was igama losithathu. Elokuqala kwakubani uEden, elosibili uAlkebulan, elosithathu kwaba uEthiopia. If ubuka lapha eceleni igama lolwandle, libo igama lolwandle Ethiopian Ocean. Lo lwandle njengamanje selibizwa ngobani? Ngo-South Atlantic Ocean. Yini edala ukuthi ashintshe amagama? Into edala ukuthi ashintshe amagama asika eshintshwa abantu ababusa iAfrica. Phela abantu noma bacindezeli babekulwela ukuthi bacontrol iAfrica ngoba umuntu ocontrol iAfrica ucontrola umhlaba. Ngani na ucontrola ama resources, ucontrola umnotho, ucontrola umcebo, ucontrola konke okuhle. Ngoba into eziningi ziphuma kephi? Ziphuma eAfrica. So uma umuntu esenqobile wafika athathe over ashintsha amagama, yabona. Abona nje abacindezeli abanye bokuqala kwakwabani? Ama-Greeks nama-Arabs. Kwahamba kwalandela amalontuzi ama-British. Nawo mefika afika ushintsha umlando ashintsha amagama. Kwahamba kwalandela ama-Dutch. Ama-Dutch kwaba wona okugcina. Now the same thing afika ashintsha umlando 10 ukuze umlando uzovuna bona, ukuze kufihleke iqiniso ukuthi bangavuki labantu abalapha beAfrica, labantu abalapha eAfrica balele, yabo. So that is why amagama belokhu eshintsha. Igama losibili kwaba ubani? uEthiopia. The whole continent was called Ethiopia. So abanye abafika noma abanye ababusa, which is between Greeks, British and Dutch, babe sebe cazelana ifa eli-Africa, right? Basebe amba amagama ama-countries ala eSouth Africa, ala eAfrica avela from abacindezeli. Amagama ama-countries akhona avela from abacindezeli. So kwathi i-continent ibizwa ngo-Ethiopia, abacindezeli abanye abasha bafika banika ama-countries amagama ngokuthi banika amagama emva kokuthi bewacolonizile. Yinye kuphela i-country abahluleka ukuyicolonizer yenye kuphela i-country abahluleka ukuyicolonizer kwaba yi-Ethiopia. That's why yaligcina igama leli lithi Ethiopia. That's why so yenye kuphela i-country abangakwazanga ukuyicolonizer, that was Ethiopia. So babe sebeqamba-ke laba abafika sebewinile ukuyibona abaphethe umbuso we-Afrika. Babe beqamba amagama ukuze babelana, kwavela o-Egypt, kwavela o-Morocco, amagama avela ngabacindezeli wonke lawo, o-Nigeria, obani, wonke lawo magama avela ngabacindezeli. And then i-South Africa igama layo eyayinikwe lona abacindezeli, u-Azania. Livela kuphi igama? Kubacindezeli, u-Azania. Ngisho igama le-continent babe sebelishintsha bathini? Bathi u-Africa. Africa is not the real name of the continent yethu, right? U-Ethiopia waligcina igama lakhe ngoba bahluleka ukumcolonize, right? Bahluleka ukumcolonize. Ake sifunde kabazi ngaleli gama elithi Azania ukuthi lalivela kobani, negama leli elithi Ethiopia ukuthi lalisho ukuthini. Ake sibuke la. So before ngifunde la, ake sibala amagama e-continent noma e-Africa. Number 1 kwaba u-Eden, lalivela uNkulunkulu lelo gama. Number 2 kwaba u-Alkebulan, lalivela kubantu base-Afrika lelo gama. Number 3 kwaba u-Ethiopia, right? U-Ethiopia wawuvelaphi? Ake sifunde la ukuthi u-Ethiopia wawuvelaphi. Kuthiwa the name Ethiopia originates from ancient Greek abacindezeli, and literally means burnt face. Lizwe kahle, ubuso obushile. Into meseshile iba njani? Iba mnyama. Uyabona ukuthi linokweyisa phakathi. Burnt face. Into mesishile iba mnyama, sishile thina, ingakho simnyama. Ake siqhubeke. It was a term used to describe people with darker skin. Uyayizwa indaba? So the name Ethiopia came from abacindezeli. The whole continent bayibiza ngobani? Ngo-Ethiopia, including ngisho ulwandle lelo lapha i-South Atlantic Ocean balibiza ngo-Ethiopian bani Ocean, ngoba umcindezeli nomcindezeli owafika abuse la wafika ashintsha umlando ngokwakhe ngendlela yakhe. Yabo, ake siqhubeke. Kuthiwa lana particularly those living south of Egypt, while the name in Greek it has been used to refer to the modern day nation of Ethiopia for centuries. Leli gama labe seligcinwa i-country yase-Ethiopia ngobani? Iyona kuphela engavumanga ukuthi icolonizwe. Yabo, sekufika abacindezeli abasha. Abacindezeli abasha bafika, ibona-ke abafika sebezofaka igama elithi Africa, base beqamba amagama labo o-Nigeria, o-Egypt, obani. Nathi-ke babezosibiza ngo-Azania. Igama leli babezosibiza ngalo. Leli gama elithi Azania liyafana neligama leli labantu abamnyama le e-America, the N-word ngengilisho ngoba mhlawumbe ivideo ngekidlali. The N-word esebenziswa e-America liyafana nalo. Yabo, uthola ukuthi balijabulela abanye, yabo, kanti igama elivela kubacindezeli. Ake siqhubeke nayo. So ake sifunde la. Abacindezeli abasha baqambi emva kwe-Ethiopia, emva kwegama elithi Ethiopia. Abanye abacindezeli futhi abasha bafika negama elithini elithi i-Africa, i-continent. Babe sebeqamba ama-countries bahlukaniselana phakathi ukuthi le i-Nigeria, le i-Egypt, le i-Morocco, le i-Cameroon, le ukuthi. Nathi sazizoba u-Azania igama lethu. Ake sifunde ukuthi igama elithi Azania livelaphi, lisho ukuthini. Kuthiwa lana, right, the name is also linked to the Arabic word Ajan, right, which refers to the Eastern African coast. Yayizwa indaba. Ake sifunde futhi laba phezulu. In ancient Greek, Azania was used to describe a region in East Africa. Yes, it was used to describe a region in East Africa, possibly encompassing parts of present-day Somalia, Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania. Yayizwa indaba. Ake siqhubeke nayo futhi. The word Azania may also be connected to the Swahili word, right, Zanj, which is used to describe people of Africa descendants, right, particularly those living in the East Africa location. Kodwa into ekubalekile, the name is also linked to the Arabic word. The name is also linked to the Arabic word. Obani labo abacindezeli abanamlando omkhulu ukucindezela. Arabic and Greek banomlando omkhulu ukucindezela. Babefika bashintsha ama-map, bashintsha umlando, bashintsha iBhayibheli. So these people were fighting ukuthi ba control Africa, because till this day they are still fighting to control Africa, because you have laba base west, you have laba abakulento le esikuyona iBRICS. Whoever controls Africa controls the world. Yabo. So Azania akulona igama lethu ma-Africans elavela ngathi siyalijabulela, siyali-embrace ngoba mhlawumbe lisho umzabalazi, kodwa the bottom line livela kwi-Arabic abacindezeli. Ngoba mase ngibuze lisho ukuthini, akekho wazi. Bazi ukuthi lisho ukuthi sibamnyama ngobani sasidescribe ngalo bebekhuluma bebodwa kuthiwani Azanians. Yabo, Azania. Yabo, igama langampela le-Africa lokugcina lavela ngomdali, lavela ngoNkulunkulu, iCanaan. Izwe lobisi, izwe loju. Right? Izwe lobisi, izwe loju. Leli uMose angalibonanga. Ilona igama lokugcina elivela kuNkulunkulu, iCanaan. Siyabonga kakhulu.